Warehouse managers face new challenges in implementing effective strategies to optimize efficiency and create a safe and sustainable working environment. Motion2AI is an artificial intelligence software company with industry-leading forklift tracking and telematics technology. Our solutions prevent accidents, reduce labor and maintenance costs, improve fleet utilization rates, and help warehouse managers make smarter, data-driven decisions. Our proprietary AI-powered MotionKits are IoT sensors that attach to any material handling equipment in under 15 minutes. Without the need for expensive infrastructure, we create a 3D map of your warehouse layout. The MotionKit captures and feeds location data in real time, helping you understand vehicle routes and trends. The Motion Studio dashboard monitors the movement of your fleet in real time and lets you sit in the driver's seat with live streaming video, anytime, anywhere. Motion2AI's technology helps prevent accidents in real time with collision and proximity alarms, keeping your people, equipment, and inventory safe from costly lost time incidents. The best decisions are made when teams have all potential data. Motion2AI unlocks a level of data previously unobtainable through traditional warehouse management systems and enhances productivity without compromise. Teams can now confidently and safely manage their warehouse environments in real time like never before.